We're with you, 'cause it's bright tomorrow, too. This is GMA Radio Television Art. For the new audience. On radio, you're tuned to Double B, 580.
Ang oras na buong kapuluan, alas 11:32. Tuloy-tuloy tayo mga kaibigan sa ating palatuntunan. Ito nga pala ang kabila. Sandali, mas gusto nyo ito Weekend in New England, Barry Manilow.
Radio, DWWW 620. Sa balita at public service, nangunguna. Sa mga dula at programa, may aral at kasyasya. DWWW 620, ang pinakamatatag sa buong Pilipinas.
Ang DWWW ay kasapi sa KBP, ang kapisanan ng mga broadcasters sa Pilipinas. Ang oras natin ngayon ay ganap ng 12 ng hating gabi, Daylight Saving Time. Sa nakalipas na 19 na oras, kayo ay nakikinig sa DWWW ng RPN, ang Radio Philippines Network, na nasa panangasiwa ng KBS, ang Kanlaon Broadcasting System, sa kapaingkurutan ng Telecommunications Control Bureau at ng Broadcast Media Council, sa pamamagitan ng kautusan ng Pangulo bilang 576. Ang DWWW ay may lisensya bilang 78012 na may bisa hanggang 31 ng Disyembre 1978. Ang DWWW ay sumasayang papawid mula 5 ng umaga hanggang 12 ng hating gabi. Ang DWWW ay nasa 620 kHz at may lakas na 50,000 watts. Ang aming studios ay nasa unang palapag ng Broadcast Plaza, Bohol Avenue, Quezon City. At ang aming transmitters ay nasa Barrio de Bis, Caloocan City. Ang hindi lang ito ay pinangangalaga ng mga sumusunod na radio electronics and telecommunications technicians na bawang lisensyado ng Telecommunications Control Bureau. Juanito Aralamazo, Edgardo San Pedro, Wilfredo Arroyo, Rogelio Dones, Bienvenido Pitpit, Marianito Nabasa, Arthur Santos, Romeo Juanesa at Arcangel Apostol. At ngayon mga kaibigan, na ito ang ating pambansang awit.
Ang kitlap ng mata, muling pag-ibay na nagdiindig. Ang dinuwi ng kapay ng pangay nagdiindig. Lupa ng araw ng barahari, ang tinda, buhay langit.
aming hidaya dapat may panati ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Sumayinyong pakikinig ang panindigan. Nagatid sa inyo ng ilan sa mga pinakamahalagang isyu ng panahon. Mga bagay-bagay na ating napag-usapan at ng tagayon ay makagising ng damdamin at makapagbigay sa lahat ng mga tagapakinig ng palatuntunan ito ng pagkakataon na makapagtayo ng kani-kanyang sariling mga paninindigan ukol sa mga mahalagang isyu ng panahon. Yan ang ating panindigan. Samantala, ito po naman ang inyong lingkod, Kaloy Castro po lamang. In behalf of Rick Radam, namamalam, nagpapasalamat sa inyong pakikinig. Kauna-unahan sa Pilipinas. Manila Broadcasting Company. DZRH, member, kapitana ng mga broadcasters sa Pilipinas. Pop Cola, only 30 centavos. Champion cigarette!
Champion cigarette, the perfect meat for the champion.
DPI Radio 1 broadcasting nationwide from Manila on 710 kilohertz on AM, 103.5 megahertz on FM. This time with a tune called El Verano, the summer. It's now
27 minutes after 9 o'clock on DZRJ, just barely 3 minutes before we get down to business at the Manila Stock Exchange.
The Rock DZRJ.
You are listening to DZCA, serving the country with the latest weather report, official Philippine Daylight Saving Time, and civil defense news and information. 830 kilohertz, Manila.
Broadcasting 24 hours nationwide with no commercials, and I'll bring you a 1 o'clock time signals to Western Pagasa Astronomical Observatory in Diliman, Quezon City. Schedule time previous now at the long-term farm Pagasa. Official Philippine Daylight Saving Time is exactly 1 o'clock.
Good morning. Here is the 1 o'clock news. The 5 ASEAN leaders and the prime ministers of Australia, Japan, and New Zealand start their formal negotiating session today in Kuala Lumpur. Coastal waters along the whole archipelago will be mainly flooded. That's the news to this minute. Bonzi Baripon.
DZCA, 830.
Take me in your arms, shelter me from harm. Let me love you for a million years or more. I never felt so much. You take my heart away, away.
Love me from your heart. You have been listening to GWRV Radio Veritas, owned and operated by the Philippine Radio Educational and Information Center, Incorporated, with license number C-3436, as authorized by the Telecommunication Control Bureau, Department of Public Works and Communications, Republic of the Philippines. Duly registered and authorized to operate with license number 78-010, issued by the Broadcast Media Council to expire on December 31st, 1978. DWRV operates from 5 o'clock in the morning to 11 o'clock in the evening with a power of 50,000 watts on a frequency of 860 kilohertz. Our studios are located at Fairview Park, Quezon City, and are translated at Dakila, Malolos, Bulacan. DWRV is maintained by the following personnel: Engineer Jesus Torres, ECE 240, Engineer Floremundo Kiguchi, ECE 52, Florendo Cruz, David Mapanao, Gustavo da Silva, Virgilio Luares, Danilo Besmonte, Juan Reyes Jr., Rolando Cruz, Emilito de la Vea, Rodrigo Torres, Fernando Victoria, Julito Ramos, Placido Ancheta, and Arnulfo Montoya. All first-class radio telephone operators duly licensed by the Telecommunications Control Bureau, Department of Public Works and Communications. DWRV is signing off to resume transmission tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock. Until then, may God bless us all. Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem.
Time here on DVAS. So I could win a small place in your home. You could find a way to put me up on the dark side, show me another thing. It made me think. I think I see the light, not another sea, and the song singing, oh no, this time I won't go. I never wanted to be a star, I never wanted to travel far. I only wanted a little bit of love so I could put a little love in my heart.
Lost and all alone, I always thought that I could make it on my own. It's the last I hardly make it through the day. My fears get in the way, and I need you there to stay. I wander through the night, search the world to find a way to make it right. All I want is just the way it used to be. But you were close to me, and I've got to
This is the voice of the Philippines, Government Information Radio. 920 kilohertz Manila, serving you round the clock.
VOP time is 7:30.
You're listening to Music Radio, CWDC, 941 AM, 96.3 megahertz FM, member KDP. It is exactly 11 o'clock. We have come to the day's end. Let us rest from the day's work, that we may awaken refreshed and renewed. God, in your mercy, we have this time to rest. We thank you for your unfailing help and protection this day. Forgive us for our failings, for our selfishness towards one another, and open our hearts to forgiveness and reconciliation. Ease the burden of the trouble, and bring joy to those in sorrow. We pray for the safety of the travelers and those guarding the well-being of our nation, and all those with grave responsibilities. Continue to shower your blessings on our families, and to serve the unity of our society. Amen. You have been listening to radio station DWBC, a commercial broadcasting station owned and operated by the United Broadcasting Network, a division of Associated Communications through wireless services, and established by authority of legislative franchise, granted by Republic Act No. 4551, and duly licensed by the Telecommunications Control Bureau, Department of Public Works, Transportation and Communications, Republic of the Philippines. Under license number C-12778 and by certificate of registration and authority number 78-183, issued by the Broadcast Media Council to expire on December 31, 1978. DWBC operates with a transmitting power of 15,000 watts with a standard medium wave frequency of 940 kilohertz on AM and 96.3 megahertz on FM. DWBC is licensed to operate 24 hours a day. Our studios are located on the 4th floor of the Ambrosio Building, Buendia Avenue, corner Bautista Street, Makati, Metro Manila, with transmitters located at Sitio Potatan, Muntinlupa, Rizal. Radio station DWBC is maintained and operated by the following technical personnel, duly licensed by the Telecommunications Control Bureau, headed by Electronic Communications Engineer Alfredo Zavalde, with ECE registry number 190, and first-class radio telephone operators Herminio Pabros, Carlos Maliwat, Fred Mendoza, Daniel Añasco, Romulo Remedio, Gaudencio Nagpala, and Leandro Liarina. DWBC, a member of the KDP, Kapisanan ng mga Broadcasters sa Pilipinas, is now signing off to resume broadcasting activities this morning at 5 o'clock. Until then, good night. Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem. dahil sa nagtagumpay na naman siya. Sa eleksyong ginanap ay siya pa rin ang presidente ng Siltranga. Frankie, blowout naman dyan. At saka ipaabot mo na lamang ang aking pangungumusta kay Yvonne Salcedo. How are you? Sana okay na okay lang, ano? At manatili lang kayo sa pakikinig dito sa ating palatuntunan dito sa DTI Radio Manila. Para kay Yvonne Salcedo, maligayang tagumpay sa iyong mga pag-awit sa lahat ng mga lugar na iyong pinag-aawitan o kinakantahan. At para kay Frankie Grego, ay matagumpay nawa ang iyong pagiging presidente sa Siltranga. Okay? Okay nga Rod. Alam niyo si Frankie, isa sa mga kaibigan natin dito na kaya lang medyo hindi na siya napapasa dito. Hindi ba, no, Danny? Nung araw kasama-sama natin dito sa BPI yan. At halos lahat ng mga kasamahan natin dito, kaibigan si Frankie. Ewan ko lang, nakalilimot na sa atin eh. Ngayon lang nakaalala. Kung hindi pa naligaw na makinig dito, hindi pa tayo maalala. 16 na minuto, baka di pa sang alauna. Isa pa rin magandang bilang na awitin sa inyong maligayang pakikinig, Frankie, at saka kay Yvonne. Ang awitin sa gitna ng dilim. Champion talaga.
Double X, 1,000.
On Double X, we have 15 minutes after 6 o'clock, and you are still listening to Letterman Rayconic Song Festival, a special Sunday feature right here on Double X. And we pay tribute to the Filipino talent. This is Gene Policico, together with the Society of Talent. I've got a feeling.
magkakaroon din ng lason sa katawan at ito'y matutungo sa itlog at hindi mapipisa yung itlog. Ganun pala yun, ano? Marami nga naman mga researchers talaga kapitbahay na nakapagtataka kung magkaminsan. Pero may katotohanan po yan. Pag nakain yung, siyempre, may lason ng isang hayop at kakainin din natin, baka mamaya pati tayo madali din. Okay nga rin, sapagkat hanggang alas 9 tayo sa araw na ito.
Ito ang Eagle Broadcasting Corporation. Kayo'y nakikinig sa DZEC 1050, ang Eagle Station sa Metro Manila.
Ang himpilang ito ay kasapi sa KBP, ang kapisanan ng mga broadcasters sa Pilipinas. Ang ating oras, ganap na alas 8:30. Isang Filipino original.
The Crusaders Broadcasting System. DWAD. Broadcasting from Rizal. DWAD. 1080.
Calling all Aquarians. Calling all Aquarians.
Mm-hmm.
Come to the quiet sailing and haberdashery. Bring your loved ones and friends from all the birth signs. Come to the Aquarius, where style and beauty is the mode of life.
Proud, elegant, and thin, with Aquarius tailoring and labor backwards.
Remember, this is the age of Aquarius.
Aquarius tailoring and labor backwards is located at 400 Fair Boulevard, Mandaluyong, Rizal. Telephone number 792393.
Mayroong pabagang sasalat sa bukid na marilag. Bawat halaman ay ugat ng matandang alamat.
Damdamin mo't malalakad ang panaginip palad at akong sukuan na lang
Gumagabutin ako.
Puno at kagubatan, sumali sa Profem ngayon.
11, 10, 9, ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running.
Radio Mindanao Network, DWXL, 1130, ang mag-aatid sa inyo ng bagong anyo ng Dulang Pangradyo.
Makapangyarihan Diyos kang kadiliman, pakinggan mo ang aking panawagan. Satanas, nasaan ka? Magpakita ka sa akin.
Ang kapalit ng hinihingi mong tulong.
Sabihin mo sa akin ang kapalit ng kahilingan mo. Sabihin mo, makapangyarihan Diyos ng kadiliman.
Babalik po ako sa piling ninyo mga kapalen. Sa loob po lamang lang saglit, relax lamang kayo. Sa inyo po na ang pagpapahinga at pakikinig sa paglatuntunan ng taon. Di ko alam yun, your host, Ben David. Ako po na may isa sa inyong muli. Sa loob po lamang ng ilang minuto. Meanwhile, pagpapakilala muna ng ating himpilan. Di ko alam yun, ang palatuntunan ng inyong sinusubaybayan. Sa himpilan po namang inyo araw-araw, hindi pinababayang pakinggan.
A big beautiful country.
For the beautiful people, DWWA 1160.
Hey, baby, right there. Damig mo, baby. That's a tune called Them Down and requested by 4729848 and played on WBL, the #1 pop music station in Metro Manila, by your hitman, Rudolph Rivera. I'll be here till 2 o'clock just time music. So, you got me around, Polina. Don't feel so sad. All right? We have exactly 34 minutes past 1 o'clock. Here's another beautiful piece of music I'm throwing your way. You better catch this one from Mr. George Benson. And this one's called The Greatest Love of All.
I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to live. Everybody's searching for a hero. People need someone to look up to. I never found anyone who fulfills my needs. A lonely place to be. So I learned to depend on me. I decided long ago never to outbid anyone's shadow. If I live, if I succeed, at least I'll live alone. Kung wala ka sa piling aking mahal, kung wala ka sa piling aking mahal, iniw ko, ano ang dahilan?
Ito ang himpilang sariling atin. Radyo DZSA 1230.
custom-built sports balita. Mga pangunahing balita sa iba't ibang larangan ng sports. Hatid sa inyo ng Asinka Rubber and Plastics Company. Gumagawa at namamahagi ng bantog at kilalang custom-built Jason Rubber Shoe. At ngayon, narito ang inyong custom-built sportscaster, si Ernie Baron.
Magandang umaga po sa lang lahat. Naroon po ang ating mga pangalang balita sa iba't ibang larangan ng sport. Nilupi kagabi ng most Toyota team ang bola sa taong Trust Patin 120-115 at pinata sa score sa kanilang tatlong larong winner take all na labanan ng mga superstars at binigyan ang squad ng pumuno ng Toyota ng 10 puntong kalamangan sa cumulative scoring para sa huling laro. Nagbago ang pangunan 23 beses, nagmatas ang score sa 8 beses, ang huli 89 all sa pagwawakas ng third quarter bago sumulong ang most team ng coach si Dante Silverio.
If you take a breakthrough, go there via ABC. ABC Sports Shoes, the break through to your favorite leisure and sports destination.
From way back in the past on KW today. Look what you've done to spread you know. Blackbuster, Sesame Street. Look at the frog heel, Sesame Street. And I would like to invite you all to dance with me.
I think even I am beginning to daydream. I love that storybook, girl. That's the sound of the Silvers on KW. Now, do you remember this one?
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
wag naman sana. Kaya ito ay pahalagahan po natin itong Presidential Decree 1153 at ito ay sa kapakanan din natin, kapakanan ng ating mga anak at kapakanan ng mga susunod pang generasyon. Maraming pong salamat. Kami nagpapasalamat kay Ginoong Rene Mondragon ng Bureau of Plant Industry. At ito ang kasama, Pepito Zamora Guerrero, nagbibigay din ng isang magandang umaga sa inyo pong lahat. Salamat po. CBS, Christian Broadcasting Service. DZEM, 360, Simpilan ng Iglesia ni Cristo, ang tinig ng katotohanan. Sumasahimpapawid mula sa Metro Manila.
Ang oras po natin sa impilang DZEM ay ganap ng alas 6:35 ng umaga. Here is our thought for the day. Lifted from the Holy Scriptures and designed to help us cope with life. If you trust on men,
and the Lord routed Sisera and all his chariots and all his army before Barak at the edge of the sword.
Amplitude modulation, DZME.
Network time. It's now 27 minutes past 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We're still on the program Touchdown with the Philippine Air Force time, music and weather radio station, DZHH 1570 kilohertz, the only military radio station broadcasting from Nickel Service, Pasay City. Here now is our latest and hourly weather conditions over Metro Manila. We have partly cloudy skies, visibility 15 miles in direction, southerly winds at 10 knots, ground temperature 31 dew point 25 degrees centigrade. Altimeter setting 29.81 inches. Cooling is unlimited. Over Basse Early, we have cloudy skies, visibility 5 miles with light haze, wind direction westerly winds at 4 knots, ground temperature 32 dew point 26 degrees centigrade.